Hello, I am Mike, and I will share how you can use Aspose.PSD in Python. Our library can help you create powerful solutions for processing PSD, PSB, and AI files without needing Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. On this page, you can get acquainted with and download the latest version of the library. I will leave all the links in the description of this video. On this page, you can find all the information about our powerful library. Let's start creating your first app together. First, create a new project. I will use Visual Studio for this. Then, open the site with the library and copy the address. Start PowerShell and execute the command. Now let's create a simple application to render a PSD document. I have prepared a simple code. It opens a PSD document and then saves it as a PNG image. I'll overview the code. The first block included the necessary namespaces. The second block is our small program. We open the PSD file, then prepare PNG options. Finally, we save it to the output file with these options. Let's start and watch the result. Okay, the PSD file was perfectly rendered. I've shown you how easy it is to use Aspose.PSD in Python. If you have any questions, you can ask them on our forum. Thank you. Your Aspose.PSD team.